Welcome to the screencast on data transfer in Transana. This video will demonstrate how to export data from Transana and will show how to import data into Transana. Database transfer allows you to copy your data, move data to a new computer, share your analysis with colleagues, and back up your analysis to protect your work from potential computer disasters. To export data from Transana, go to the Tools menu and select Export Data. The program will display the Transana data export form. You need to decide if you want to export your full database or if you just want to export your coding system. Transana allows users to export everything in the database or to export what is referred to as a codebook, producing a file that just contains the coding system embedded in Transana's keyword groups and keywords. Creating a codebook file for import in a new database can be a nice way to jumpstart an analysis of new data using the analytics system you've already developed in an existing project. The full database option allows you to export a complete Transana database. All Transana data and features are supported in Transana-XML. Please note that the resulting data does not include any media, PDF, or still image source files, and that those files must be copied separately when copying or moving data to a new computer. Importing a Transana-XML file into a new Transana database will give you an exact copy of the exported database. The media library directory setting can make the process of moving to a new computer much easier, so be sure to have your media library directory set before you export your data. Press the Browse button to select a directory and enter a file name for the database export. I generally save my database export files in my media library directory. Press the OK button to begin the export process. To import data, start by creating a new Transana database. Set your media library directory to let the new Transana database know where to look for media files and image files, as well as to let the program know where to import data files if appropriate. Go to the Tools menu and choose Import Data. Press the Browse button to select the file in Transana-XML format. Press OK and watch as the data is imported. If the set of data you're importing is large or complex, particularly if your data includes transcripts with embedded images, please be patient while the import process runs its course. If you get an error message you do not understand, please contact us through the contact form on the Transana website and we'll be happy to help you sort it out. One final note: computers occasionally die. Laptops can get lost or stolen. I once had a workplace burn down, destroying my computer. But you can easily protect yourself from catastrophic data loss. Regularly exporting your Transana databases to Transana-XML format and storing the export files along with copies of your media, PDF, and image files with a copy in a different location can make a huge difference in how much of your work you lose should disaster strike.